Hi guys, like I promised, I will be making a Warrior Cat series, and this is episode 1. Please do not say this is not like the series. I'm making my own one up, okay? Let's go. This is Flower Clan. It has plenty of prey, plenty of cats. Look at all of those. And a nice leader. Look, he's talking to Sunstrike. Now, inside the Medicine Cat Den / nursery. You can do it. Push. The savior is about to be born. It gets here. Oh, she's so cute. What do you want to name her? Golden Kit. Because her fur is so yellow, so cold. Golden Kit it is. 6 moons later, I'm finally ready for my apprentice ceremony, Mom. I'm finally ready. Go ahead. Meanwhile, let all cats old enough to catch your own prey join you beneath the high rock for a clan meeting. Now, how could this be the high rock if the leader keeps falling off? Ooh, clan meeting. Clan meeting. Don't step in the water. Clan meeting. Ooh, clan meeting. It's clan meeting. Come on. Come on. Clan meeting. There. There. Homecoming. There. Oh, I'm so excited for her apprentice ceremony. It's going to be so exciting. Hey. Wow. I can't wait for Golden Kit to join us in the apprentice den. I know, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Golden Kit, step up. Do you promise to be loyal to your clan and obey the warrior code and protect your clan even at the cost of your life? I do. Then, by the power of Star Clan, until you have earned your full warrior name, you will be known as Golden Paw. Clan dismissed. Golden Paw! Golden Paw! Golden Paw! Golden Paw! Golden Paw! Golden Paw! I can't wait to join you guys in the apprentice den. I know, right? It's gonna be so fun. I know. Yeah. I wonder who my mentor is going to be. I've heard that your mentor is going to be. Actually, I don't know who your mentor is going to be. And your mentor will be Stormfur. Ooh, yay. Hello, Golden Paw. I am so glad to meet you. Hi. Training is going to be so fun together. Yay! Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go to the fresh kill pile and get some prey. Yeah. Yummy. That night. Okay, too bright, too dark. At that night. It's like it's time to go to bed. I can't see it's so dark, you can't see my paw in front of my face. I know, right? Come on, let's go to bed. Yeah, it's really dark anyways. Golden Paw, are you here? Well, done. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Next morning, land is empty. Hey! Ooh, it's almost time for hunting patrol. Wait for some others to come out. Hunting patrol. Ooh, hunting patrol. Hunting patrols. Yeah, Schwink. Hey. Yeah. Ooh, hunting patrols. First. Hey. I just made apprentices 2 days ago. And I was just made apprentice yesterday. Hunting patrol time. Sounds good. Ooh, hunting patrol. Hunting patrol. Hunting patrol. Hunting patrol. Hunting patrol time. Okay. So, the hunting patrol will be... Willowtail? Ooh, yay. Willowtail? Moonflower? That's me. And, who else? Cinderpaw. Ow. That will be the hunting patrols for today. Those of you can take out your apprentices. Go ahead. Yes, hunting patrol. So hungry, I know, right? This is gonna be good hunting. I mean, it's Greenleaf. So, the prey's really much scarce, so everybody knows that. Yeah, right. So, Golden Paw, you ready for training? Of course I am. All right. Come on, I'll take you to the training hollow. At the training hollow. So this is the training hollow, and it's where we'll be training. Yeah. So, attack me. Oh, you okay? You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'll teach you how to dodge. So if a cat's coming at you, you'll dodge. Pretend there's a Shadow Clan warrior coming after me. Pretend it's just about like 3 feet away, and I do that. Just quickly go to the side. Okay. Nice work. 15 more minutes of training. We've done enough for today. Let's go. See you around part 2.